What's up guys, welcome again, new video. Moza Kimbola here. Today I'm going to talk about an app that is very helpful for you guys because it's helpful for me, and I know it would also be helpful for you because I know you're a trader. When you take a trade, you have to calculate value size, and if you don't have an app to calculate value size quickly, the price can move and it can be out of your entry now. So you have to change the risk ratio of your trade, and sometimes it sucks. So I have this app. Don't worry about anything, you don't have to pay anything because it's completely free. Let me show you guys why this app is helpful and you need it. The app is called Calculate. So it's right here, it's called Calculate. So I'm gonna get into the app right now and I'll show you how to use it. So when you get into the app, you can see we have the account balance right here, we have the risk, we have a stop loss, and we have a currency pair. So let's say for me I have a $10,000 account. I risk 1%, stop loss is 25 pips, and the pair that I'm trading is GBP AUD. And now when I click on calculate position size, you will see that it gives me here value size that I have to use, what is 0.55, and I think that's cool because I don't have to waste my time to calculate by myself. I just have to put my balance, my stop loss, and my risk, and the pair that I'm trading. So that's it. It's not complicated, it's totally simple, easy, and it's free. So the name again is Calculate, guys. It's totally easy for you to calculate your risk, to be able to fully manage your trades and your risk. It's a good app and I totally recommend it, and it's free, and I think not a lot of people are aware of this app because it's kind of difficult to find on App Store. For Android I don't know because I have an iPhone, but for App Store it's kind of difficult to find. Even let me show you something. Let's go in App Store and I will type the name, you will see. Let me type Calculate. You see, I type Calculate and there's nothing here that shows up. Let me show you again. Here the logo, what it looks like, you see. And when I go back, you see that we don't have it. Usually it should be at the top, the first one, but the calculator that you see here is totally different. This one I don't believe it's for Forex, it's for something else. I don't know why. We're talking about highways and freeways, you see. So you don't find it on App Store like that, but you can download it on App Store and also Android for sure. So for those who use Android, if you don't find it on Google Play, or I don't know if it's called Play Store, I don't remember, but whatever, if you don't find it there, just what you have to do is go here on Google and you type download Calculate trading app, and you go down, it's gonna have a series of apps, and what you have to do is just click on more apps and scroll down and you will find it right here. It's this one right here, Calculate, and if you click on it, it will go automatically on App Store. So if you use Android, if you click on it, it will open directly on Play Store. That's how you can get the app. I don't know why it's like that, I'm sorry, but I hope you guys can get this app, and it's free, you don't have to pay anything. There's another one here, it's called Stay New, but this one is not for free, and it's kind of the same. But if you don't want to pay for anything, just try Calculate, and that's it guys. If you liked it, make sure that you leave a comment down below, leave a like, and thank you for watching.